but okay. Well, oh, okay. I just found pieces going on. Okay, I found 3-piece. That fits perfectly into here. Well, you're probably asking me, why am I still doing it? Well, I mean, there has to be walls, correct? There should be one more layer, don't you? I need 3. I'll look it. Oh, found another piece. Well, I actually found pieces while I was publishing it. So it takes about a minute to publish. So, I don't know. Soon I'm going to learn how to put on tags. And I'm going to tag this to my other videos. So I'm going to like, watch it over and over and be like, why are you talking to yourself? Nobody's going to watch this video. And then you're going to be like, yeah, I'm the only one that watches this video. Well, if you watch this, thank you. Like it, if you do like it, probably won't like it. Not many people do like my things. Only made like, I don't know, 6 of the videos. I haven't made that many yet, so I just got my accounts. But I can't believe my account is that fast. Yeah. Finding pieces. Finding pieces. Ah, for sure. What am I gonna do with the chair? I need wood. Oh, oh, wow. I just hit the jackpot. Okay. Oh, no. I'm finding pieces. Oh, yeah. Oh, don't be a shit. It's a shit. I just started this video, right? Ah, 2 minutes. I like to keep you guys on track of how many minutes it's been. Because, well, it's out of 4. I used that. My walls are kind of different colors. But remember, I'm using other playsets to go to this. I don't know, all you, you sound some losers. All you Lego fans, I can see why I get mixed up with Loser and Lego. We can sidetrack. All you Lego fans, please like this video, because you really like Legos. If you want like zombies and Legos, then like subscribe or, comment. I mean, either way, if you don't like it or if you do like it, I don't care if it's a complaint. Just subscribe or, comment. Well, it's not really a comment, it's a complaint. But still, I'll be still happy. I will still be happy. Well, not good. You know what I mean. Ah. Do 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 do. No, I'm missing out of 2s. I need more 2s. I need more 2s. I need one more 2. Let's see, Mr. Do you have a 2? No. Mr. Do you have a 2? You have a 3? Oh, okay, 3 3s. 3 3s. Yay! And it's a 4. But still useful. I'll put it in my phone. Oh wow. In my phone? Okay, 3s. I'm gonna do 3s. Wait, I need 2, right? Okay. No, it's too big. 2. Oh, I need 2. Any more I need to know about? Oh yeah, 2 more 2s. Yes, 1 more 2. Any more? Yes, 1 more. How many more I need to know about? Yeah, 2 more. Any more? Yeah, 1 more. Any more? Yeah, 1 more. Any more? You guys really can't hear me, can you? Anything I'm thinking? Oh, you're not. Okay, it's building again. Wow. Oh, it's amazing. Yay, it's perfectly. No, it doesn't. Not trying the camera now. Wait, now I have to do another layer on this one. Oh, do do do. Well, they don't have to be even, do they? I don't know. 5 minutes. That's the first floor. You really don't have any guns? What are you doing? You know what? The hacking device isn't in there for... Wait, what am I talking about? I don't really have a thingy, so you know what? Here, M14 would be right here where the hacking device was gonna be. That's that. You know what? I'm gonna slide you onto this little voice thing. You know what? I'm gonna subscribe. I mean, you guys are gonna have to comment. I am gonna say how much rooms you want me to make, and you're gonna tell me how much rooms you want me to make. Oh, bad feeling about this. Yay, it works. I'm at least gonna have 2 or 3. Depends how much of what. It depends how much of. Wait. No, take the others out. Get out already. Really? There's so many people out there. That's how much T's and D's I have. And this is gonna be the second floor. And have here. This is gonna have the sickle or the bowie knife or the mystery box. The mystery box is kind of bigger. Mystery box. My mystery box is gonna be blue and all different kinds of colors. Because it's a mystery. I can tell you, it's a mystery. Yeah. Well, the mystery box is gonna have a scorpion on top of it instead of a teddy bear. A scorpion with always on top of it. Obviously, it's facing you. I'm gonna face it to you. You know what? I need more. Whoa! I just destroyed room 1. What does it get? I don't think it will. Okay, bye bye Easter egg then. I'll put you there. Oh, I have burgers too. Walls. No, I don't have enough for walls yet. I have 1. Ooh, you know what? This one's gonna be outside. So it's gonna have here. And then another. Barrier. And this is where the boat's gonna be. Like, you know how to select the lunars? And the boats. Oh yeah. The boat. Honestly, the box is right here, so you're good to go. Hit the box, and then hit the boat. Kind of expensive, the box. Kind of rip off. Let's see. We're outside, so this needs to have a little bit of a barrier. So I'll just put random things on top of it. They're not really random, but 3. Maybe 4 people? Yeah, right. Kind of a wall, but whatever. It has to. What the hell am I doing? It's a barrier. What am I doing? I don't know. No zombies spawn out of here because it's a hit and run place. Yeah, it's a hit and run place. You hit the box and you run. The box will always be here. There's gonna be like 2 places where the box is, but the box will always be here. I need a chair for you. And the partners. You can only hold 2 people. The thing is, when this thing goes, another one comes. Obviously, that can only hold 1 person. So that's 3 people. I'll make the 4th one right now. I'm stuck in my head. Stupid video. What's the people? I'm so angry. Let's hear the song. Why just something good video doesn't exist? Oh my god, it's still stuck in my head. Oh, what's happening? I'm having my phone. Do I know I do. No, I don't. This was never one of those. Yes, I do. I'm just looking for a good toy. I need to focus. A shovel, you can be useful in this thing. The shovel will be next to it. No. Oh, I missed 4. First minute is 11. I thought it was 12. That's okay. Oh, really can't find 4. I don't know, actually. 7. So I can think of. Now I need a chair. Wow. That just ruined it. Who needs chairs? Yeah, they do. Let's see. Yeah, I don't have a chair. I guess you just have to. How do I not have a chair? How am I that stupid? I know I have 2 more. I know I do. Oh yeah. It'll be like a pyramid right here. No. There are going to be a pyramid right here. Where the Easter is. No. I'm gonna hurt. I'm doing around here. No trouble. Oh, that's better. Probably. I don't know if you don't like it. Obviously this will be here. This will be here. The other one. This will be put this down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. That's pretty much it. And that's where you come from, so I need to put that as like a banner. Oh no. They're coming through. And this way back. Let's disconnect you for a little bit. Oh no. That's 13 minutes. Oh, gotta go. Well, compliment and everything like that.